Hi, I'm Dave from Dave's Wildlife Videos. This video was taken at Farmoor Reserve. In this video there's a Great Northern diver eating and catching crayfish. There you go, he's just got another crayfish. He can't swallow it, it's so big, he's struggling with it here. That's amazing. If you're still watching the video, thank you very much. And if you like the video, can you please like and subscribe? So I'm sure it'll go out to a lot more people, which help my channel grow.